Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to the concept of logical functions and also to the most popular logical function in Excel, the function if. I will show you what this function does and how to use it. So let's get on. Logical functions are used in the spreadsheet to test whether a situation or condition is true or false. And depending on the result, you can elect to do one thing or another. The function if allows you to make logical comparisons between cells or between a cell and an expected value and returns one value for a true result and a different value for a false result. The basic structure for this function is equal sign, name of the function, if, and then between parentheses will be the logical expression, then a comma to separate the true value, then another comma to separate the false value. The function if relies on the comparison operators equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, and the combination of them, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Let me show you how to use it with a basic example. Let's compare if each pair of numbers from column A and column B are equal. Select cell C1, type the equal sign, then the name of the function if, open a parenthesis, and notice that as soon as I open a parenthesis, Excel displays a guide to finish creating the expression. So the first portion is the logical expression that we are evaluating. Select cell A1 equal to, select cell B1, comma, to separate the true value, let's say 1, another comma to separate the false value, let's say 0, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Our result is a 1, since the two numbers are equal. Let's use the autofill tool to evaluate the other pairs of numbers using the same formula. Rows 2 and 3 are different, so we got a 0, and then the last two are equal, so we got a 1 again. Be aware that you can use whatever you want as true and false values. 1 and 0 are just the most common to create a distinction. Let's do a different example. We have this list of driving test scores, and our job is to tell if they pass or fail. To pass, the minimum score is 16, so our logical test would be greater than or equal to 16. In this case, we're not comparing the value of two cells, we are comparing the value of one cell versus an expected value. And our result will be text, pass or fail. Select cell C2, equal sign, if, open a parenthesis, select cell B2, greater than or equal to 16, comma, and because our true value will be a text, we need to put it between double quotation marks, pass, then comma, fail in double quotation marks, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Use the autofill tool for the rest of the cells. We have several pass and fail results. Now, the function if can compare also text. Let's see how that works. In this other list, we have the country of birth. If it is US, then will be a yes to citizen. Or if it is a different country, a no. select cell C2, type the equal sign, then the function if, open a parenthesis, select cell B2, equal to, and here because you are comparing against text, the word needs to be between double quotation marks. US, then comma, and the true value is also a text, so it needs to be in double quotation marks as well. Yes, comma, and no, close the parenthesis, and press enter. Use the autofill tool for the rest of the cells. Alright, now you know how to use the function if. I hope you find this video helpful to get you familiarized with Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get access to my series of tutorials to learn Excel step by step. I'll see you in the next video.